Hey, welcome to day number 2 of my 7-day challenge. I'm super excited because today is where the fun begins. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and we're going to get you to apply to 14 different affiliate programs. Okay, so they're all free to join, and you're just going to apply to promote their product that they have or their company. So you're going to have to go through the application process, and they're going to ask you a few questions. All you have to do is just answer them honestly. They might ask you for your social media accounts or something like that. Not a big deal. Once we apply and we get approved, then we're going to grab the affiliate links from those accounts, and we're going to go ahead and implement those into the email sequence that I'm going to be giving you. Let's jump in my computer, and I'll walk you through the process. All right, guys, we are in my computer, and this is going to be the Google document that you're going to have access to below the video. All right, so everything is laid out here for you, super easy. All right, so these are 14 different affiliate programs that we're going to get you to promote. All right, so we're going to get you signed up with each one of these, get you approved, and we're going to grab, once you're approved, we're going to grab the affiliate link from each one of these companies, and we're going to put it in an email sequence, or put it in the email sequence that I'm going to be giving you. All right, and that's going to be later in the course. So right now, the important thing is to sign up for these programs and get the application process started so you can get approved as quickly as possible. Okay, so there's 14 of them. So real quick, I'll just kind of walk you through this real fast. So in video, you're going to go ahead and fill out all the information, put your first, last name. They might ask you for some websites, social network, stuff like that. They have partnered with impact.com. If you already have an account with impact.com, great. All you got to do is just search in video and apply for their program. If not, you can use it right here. Use this page to get you started. So Udemy, this one's interesting. So I believe on this one, you buy solo ads. So in other words, you go to sellers that have a massive email list, and you just say, hey, I'd like to purchase 500 clicks, something like that. And they'll send out an email to their active, their subscriber base, and they will drive traffic to whatever landing page you would like. All right. So that's what Udemy is. So all you got to do is hit sign up in the upper right here. There you go. You're going to fill out all of your information here, and they'll walk you through the process. All right. So vidIQ. Don't have an account, right down here. You can sign up here, or you can log in with or sign up with Google. Okay. Secrets of success. To sign up, first name, last name, email. Visla, AI videos. Right up here. Sign up, it's free. Sign in with Google, or use your email address to get the ball rolling. Repurpose.io. If you make a lot of videos, making a lot of content, which you should be, by the way, if you make one video, this will basically repurpose your content, to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, within just a few clicks, and it will distribute one piece of content to all the platforms. So it's actually a really cool tool. So don't have an account, sign up down here, and you can get signed up here. Okay. All right. TubeBuddy. This program basically helps you grow your YouTube channel. So anybody who is trying to hit it big on YouTube, this is going to be the tool that'll get the job done. Yep. Okay. All right. And then GetResponse. This is another really good email autoresponder. Funnel Freedom, we're going to talk about this later. This is an interesting one. You'll hear more about this in the future. Legendary Marketer, this is another big one. Make sure you don't miss this one. They have you can earn high ticket commissions with this program. If you're not already an affiliate, you absolutely need to sign up. 72-hour challenge. Freedom Accelerator, here's another one. You can earn really good commissions. This is actually, it goes through Digistore 24. So if you don't have an account with Digistore, you can see my lower left-hand side of the screen. It says digistore24.com, or just come to this website here and click on that link. System.io, the free plan, and Wealth Warriors. They're gaining some traction. Oops, sorry. Here. So you just enter your email, first name, and there you have it. So I guess that's it. All you got to do, I'll end the video here, and for the rest of the day today, I'll let you guys work on this. Sign up for as many as you can and get approved for as many as you can. And then later in the course, we're going to go ahead and grab the affiliate links. We're going to go back and we're going to put them in the email sequence that I'm going to be giving you here later in the course. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to see how it goes for you guys. I can't wait to see your guys' results. So I'll end the video here and I'll let you guys get working on this, and I will see you tomorrow.